there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you are looking for the perfect accent tree to have in your house, I've got the answer for you. So this is an artificial olive tree, and it's from Povy. It stands about 6 feet tall, which I think is the perfect height for the hallway that I put it in. So I was just looking for something to put in my hallway to jazz it up a little bit, and I didn't want to put a real plant in here because it's a hallway, so it doesn't get much sunlight. So I needed an artificial tree that I didn't have to take care of. And this one was so simple to put together. It came in a very small box. You just click it together and you put it where you want it. So one of the things that I love about it is how durable it is. I have children, I have pets, and this thing is gonna last. You can pull on it, you can push on it, you can squeeze the olives on it, and they're not going to collapse and they're not going to break. So that is just perfect for my house. It comes in some fake dirt that's put in place very well. It's glued down and it looks very real. So this beautiful tree has added so much personality to my doll hallway. I love it. I think you'll love it, and that's my point of view.